Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to find and print your Amazon receipts in 2025. Whether you need a digital copy for your records or a hard copy for expenses, this guide will have you covered in just a few minutes. So stick around till the end. You won't want to miss this simple trick. Access Amazon. First, open your browser and go to www.amazon.com. Sign in using your email or phone number along with your password. Make sure you're logging into the account you used to make the purchase you need a receipt for. Navigate to your orders. Once you're logged in, hover over the Account and Lists option at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, click on Your Orders. This will take you to a complete list of your recent purchases. Locate the specific order scroll through your orders to find the one you need a receipt for. Click on that order tile to open the detailed view of that purchase. Access Financial Details. Inside the order details, look for the link labeled Invoice or Order Details. Click on it to go to the page where Amazon stores all the financial information for that specific order. Obtain the receipt. Now, you have two options. Digital copy, simply click the Download Invoice link. This will save a PDF version of your receipt directly to your device, perfect for email records or uploading to expense trackers. Hard copy, click Print this page for your records. Your browser's printing interface will open, allowing you to print it out on paper immediately, and that's it. In just a few clicks, you've got your Amazon receipt ready, either digitally or physically. So there you have it, a quick and simple way to find and print your Amazon receipts in 2025. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.